guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're creating this extra glowy and sun-kissed look from start to finish. Two things you got to make sure you absolutely do right to achieve this level of dewiness and this level of glow. Number one is to make sure that your skin prep is bang on, and number two, well, just make sure to watch till the end to find out. So let's get right into it. Starting off with a super clean face is very important, so I'm starting with my Dermavive Hydra Cleanser, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. Really make sure I scrub my face clean. This used to be my cleanser for skin prep and to take my makeup off in general, but I've been loving it so much that it has become my daily cleanser now. Honestly, it is so gentle. As you can see, I use it all over my eyes, around my eyes, and it doesn't affect it at all. It just takes everything off so well. Moving on, I'm using my Nutriderm moisturizing lotion all over my face. You want to make sure for this look your face is extra hydrated, so I have done some extra moisturizing as well, and you'll see very soon what I mean by that. I also, by the way, use the same lotion under my eyes. I don't use a separate cream with this one because I've never really felt the need. It's very rich and very creamy. Now that I've done one layer of moisturizing, I'm going to do my second layer by mixing in some Illuminator into the same lotion and applying it all over my face. Just using my fingers to do this and really pushing that into my skin, blending that into my skin, and it leaves me with an amazing glow. Moving on to foundation, well, not really a foundation. I'm using this new product from Urban Decay, which is the Hydromaniac, and I'm using this for the first time, and as you can see, I am quite impressed with it. It's got amazing coverage and it's really great for dry skin to combination skin types. I don't think it will work that well for oily skin because it is quite dewy and quite hydrating, but it just worked so well for this look. Moving on, we're using the Armani Luminous Skin Concealer. We're keeping everything glowy in this look, clearly. That's why this concealer is just absolutely perfect. When you're using a concealer that has medium coverage, you want to make sure that you blend it out with a brush to ensure maximum coverage. Now for that little zit that I have, I do need some extra coverage, which is why I'm using my favorite Shape Tape concealer and then just blending it out with that brush. Now you want to make sure that you just set that, for which I'm using my compact powder and a little blending brush, and I'm just setting that much to lock that in. Moving on to cream contouring, I'm using the Tantour by Huda Beauty, and with this product, it is so pigmented and it is so creamy. You want to make sure that you kind of build it on and don't go in with too much at the start because as you can see, it is extremely pigmented. And I'm using a brush just to blend that in. The main thing with this is you want to make sure you push it into your hairline because it just gives a more natural look, like I am doing. I'm literally pushing the product into the hairline, and then to give everything just a seamless transition and making sure there are no harsh lines, I'm just blending everything in together with a beauty blender. Next, I'm just going to set my concealer and the center of my face using this powder foundation. You want to make sure that when you're using powder foundation, always use it with a brush. It just gives that much more of a nicer natural finish. And then I'm just setting it all with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, just letting the powder and the liquids blend in. In the meanwhile, I'm moving on to my eyes. I'm just using a single shadow called Sultry from the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills on both my eyes. Just making sure it is there. We want something very simple for the eyes, and that's all we're going to do because the focus of this look is on the skin more than the eyes. For my blush, I'm using this creamy stick from VDL, which is, by the way, so pretty, and as you can see, so glowy. And I'm just using a blending brush to blend all of that away. And with such a look, I like to kind of put it in the center of my nose as well. Just gives a very nice seamless finish. For my mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Paris Unlimited Mascara. I know I'm jumping eyes, face, but that's usually how I do it. It just somehow comes naturally to me to do it in this order. For my highlighter, I'm using the Kylighter. This is the first time I actually used Kylie Cosmetics for my face, and honestly, I felt like it was okay. Not the best, to be honest, and just in general, I like powder highlighters much better than cream highlighters. But overall, I guess this was I would say all right. Finally, moving on to my lips, which is the last part of this look. I'm just overlining them slightly with my Urban Decay pencil in 1993, which by the way is an amazing shade. And then filling it in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, one of my favorite pure nude shades. It is just the best. And then topping it off with this heavenly smelling gloss from Lancome. And finally ending this look with the MAC Fix Plus in gold to give it that extra oomph. And we're done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.